Mr. Carmona, anything to say about what happened that day at the Walmart? Nothing at all?
Watch the pipes behind you.
That this was a completely random shooting. There was no connection between the victim in this case and the defendant, which makes a terrible situation even worse.
How was she able to pull it together, Allyssa? I mean, her testimony was very convincing. I mean, obviously impactful.
Well, it was truthful, and this has obviously had a detrimental impact on her life. She's a very strong person. She came here today to tell the truth, and in the presence of the defendant, asked that the charges be moved on in court, and they have been.
How would you describe Mr. Carmona? He came here from New York, he's in the mall hanging around. What do you think his intentions were? I mean, could have been worse, much worse than it was?
Well, I can tell you, under the law, his intention was to commit murder that day.
And what about I wasn't there for it. Did you call the man who fired that Carmona, the Blackstone? Did you come to
Yes, I did not. He did not. He was not here to testify today.
If I can ask you about that, what role did he play in maybe having a resolution or maybe stopping something worse?
Well, it's not clear, but he did attempt to intervene, and Mr. Carmona fled at that point. So really, we'd be speculating if we predicted what else could have happened. Obviously, this could have been a much worse situation, but Mr. Carmona fled into the woods, and the state police found him.
You're 21 years old. Did this change your life? How did this change your life? I think I know the answer. How did it just change your life?
I mean, it changed everything. The way I look, my outlook on things, how I feel going out, school, work, everything. It definitely impacts everything.
You had a huge support system here with you, and you showed immense bravery and strength. I mean, just talk about the people who are getting you through this.
Just my whole family, everybody that's here with me. Everybody's just been so great. The people I work with, even my school, everybody.
Is there anything you want to say to Mr. Carmona at all? I mean, your testimony was really heartfelt and dramatic. Is there anything you wanted to say to him? You want him to know? Did you want him to know?
No, I don't have anything to say to him.
Christopher, do you remember anything about that day?
Mr. Carmona, do you want to say anything to Allyssa? She described what happened that day. Anything you want to say to her at all? For her family?